Hello everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today we are doing the back single stitches. They are called that way because we do them in the back row and we do them a bit differently then. You see what it looks like when I do it in just one color. You see here the little knots that you would usually get in every other row. This time we get them in each and every row. So that's the effect that we're looking for, and you can get it with this type of stitch. On the other side, it looks something like this. This is even better when you use more than one color because you see how lovely it looks then, and I can even show you what it looks like in rounds. It also looks great. But let's stick to the basic stitch first. So I'll show you how to do it in regular rows and in just one color so that you can learn first and then you can make it more and more complicated. It might seem a bit intimidating, but it really is not. So this video is meant for those who don't know how to do something like this. Even if you're a beginner or if you have some experience but you're unfamiliar with the stitch that I'll do, feel free to stay tuned and I'll show you how. It seems intimidating, but it's actually pretty simple to do. So this row I'm doing in just regular stitches, but make sure you pay attention how you are going through this. So we are always going underneath, so to speak, and you see what I mean. So I'm doing it super slow so that you guys can follow as well. At the end of the row, I end with an additional chain and then comes the back stitch. So I go from the back into my piece and take the thread from beneath and pull it through, and then one time from the top and through. Again, go in from the back of the piece, then one from the bottom and one from the top. And one from the top and through 2 loops. Here, when I take the thread, I'm kind of using my needle to help myself so that I don't lose my thread. So I kind of twist the needle as I work. I hope you guys can see it nicely. And this is how we do back singles. So one after another, nothing special in between them, just like when you do regular singles. So you do work 2 types of rows as you work. So one in regular singles and the back row in back singles. When you reach the end, do again another chain, and when you do that, that's where the regular singles come into play. So now you do them as you always would. And just keep working like that. I'll finish this row and then I'll show you one more time very slowly so that you can see it even more clearly. So this is going to be for the very beginners so that it's easier for them to learn. turn with a chain, and now here is the hole we go through. But we go through from the back and we go through both loops. Take the thread from under and pull through, and then from the top again and go through the 2 loops. From the back through both loops. Thread from the bottom and pull through, and then from the top and pull through. So you go through just like with a regular single. And then you can hopefully nicely see the knots in here. So I'm not at the back side of my piece, but I actually find both sides pretty. Maybe for a purse or something like that. But you can also let me know which side you like better and maybe what you would use it for or where you can see it to fit nicely. For today I used Woolly Hugs Charity, so 25 cents of each spool goes to a charity cause, hence the name, and that's what I worked with. So thanks for watching Veronika Hug. I hope to see you in my next video as well. If you want to stay notified every time I post, feel free to subscribe, and you can also shoot a thumbs up if you enjoy the project. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye!